I'm Jerry, and I am the Appliance Department Manager. I started the department 2.5 years ago with just myself, and we've grown to 4 technicians total in the department, and we're currently looking for more. Hoffmann Brothers is probably the best company that I've ever worked for, and I've worked for large corporations, I've worked for small companies. The reason they're one of the best, if not the best company I've ever worked for, is because they listen to the employees. They're constantly working to develop you as a person as well as you as an employee. They truly believe that the employee is valuable, the employee is a tool, for lack of a better word, and you take care of that employee, you take care of that tool, because in the end, they're going to take care of the customer, they're going to take care of the company as well. Typical day, we are at our first customer at 7 o'clock in the morning. We do repairs to major appliances. It could be anywhere from, it could have a leak, it could have a mechanical failure, it can have an electronic failure, in which case you're going to have to know plumbing, you're going to have to know electrical, you're going to have to know mechanical type repairs. So it's a very broad spectrum as far as knowledge. I've been doing this for 35 years and I see new things every day. This type of job requires a person who's able to accept challenges, who's able to communicate with customers, who enjoys communicating with customers for sure, who enjoys helping people, somebody who works hard, is not afraid to take on new tasks and be able to come up with new ideas.